So this is our code, and in this code we have not changed anything from the previous mission. So let's see if this works. So in the earlier mission, the cat tried to steal some snacks from the trading tree. This time we caught her and we set a trap. So now when she tries to steal them, she will be trapped. So she has already passed her third log and now she is very close to the trap. Now let's see if the trap actually catches her, or she'll take our snacks again. Now let's see.